Good morning, and welcome to a wonderful Wednesday at Westport. We have lots to tell you today. We got our October calendar up. My granddaughter Abby came over and did it on Saturday. She does a really nice job. I'm grateful for that. And you can see what some of the classes we have. Today is a Bernina new owner sewing class. If you can get here in the next 30 minutes, you're welcome to join us if you need a Bernina new owners class. Tomorrow, sit and sew with yours truly. I think I've still got a couple of seats left for that 10 to 4. You can work on whatever you would like that you would like a little bit of help with. Saturday is our embroidery club with Barbara, and we would invite you to join us. I think we've got some openings there as well. Next Wednesday, scan and cut class. For those of you who own a scan and cut or would like to and would like to know more about it, from 10 to 2. And then next weekend is really busy. We will be at the Bluegrass Shop Hop out in Shepherdsville at Paraquet Springs, and would invite you to come and attend and come by our booth and visit us. We'd love to see you. We'll have some goodies there. And Saturday, the 15th, is Bernina Super Saturday. This comes one time a year. Always the third week in October, third Saturday in October. Kind of like the first Saturday in May or whatever. Anyway, 72 months, 0% interest financing, 72 months. That day only. So if you are in the market for a Bernina, especially one of the higher level Berninas, this is a great time to do it. And speaking of, we have some great promotions from Bernina that have just started. If you purchase an 880 or a 790 sewing embroidery machine, our top of the line machines, listen to this, you get a free, no charge, L860 overlocker. That's the one that's in between the L890, which is the top of the line, and the L850, which is the lower level one. This one has the LED screen, but it's like a, $6,000 value, no charge if you purchase a 790 or an 880 anytime between now and the end of the year. So yay! And this is a great time to do it, is when we have our 0% financing for 72 months. So some other great things we have going on. We have a special deal on the L890, and we have some great bundles with our Q series machines. We have a wonderful bundle on the Q24 with Q-matic, on the Q20 on a studio frame, and then also on our Q20 with the horn lift table. So all three of those are coming with some great bundles. So if you're interested, come by the store and we'll tell you all about it. Okay, so Bluegrass Shop Hop Bernina Super Saturday, and then coming up, the Debbie Deason's double wedding ring class on the 17th. Mary Bowers Puff Quilt, that one's filling up. We'll start our next round of the Fabulous Block of the Month. If you're interested in that, let us know. We have the kits ready for you. We are also sponsoring a meeting for the American Sewing Guild on the 22nd. If you're interested in being part of that group, I invite you to come to the meeting. It starts at 11 here at our store. And then on the last week of the month, we have new owners sewing and Sewing Beyond the Basics. Now, Sewing Beyond the Basics is like a beginning sewing class. The reason we called it Sewing Beyond the Basics is because we want you to come to that class if you know how to use your sewing machine. If you don't know how to use your sewing machine at all, then you need to come to new owners. Beyond that, Sewing Beyond the Basics, you will make a little project, a zippered bag, and if you know how to operate your sewing machine, then you will learn all kinds of techniques that will be very useful for you in the future. On the 25th, Charlie's doing her Take the Mystery Out of Binding, where she will teach you 5 different types of binding on your quilts. On the 26th is New Owners Embroidery and Embroidery Beyond the Basics. So the Embroidery Beyond the Basics, you'll bring like a t-shirt, a towel, and some other items, and you will do a lot of hands-on embroidery. So this is, if new owners, embroidery is step 1 with your embroidery machine. Beyond the basics, step 2, and then you will join our embroidery club to learn a different technique each month. And then we're very, very excited to have Kathy Shalda, a Bernina educator, who many of you all are familiar with. She actually did events for me at the Smocking Shop, and she's done lots of events for Russell here in town and also in Indianapolis at our Quilt Quarter store. She's a fabulous educator, and she was also in our booth at Paducah for any of those who came by our booth. She's a redhead and so much fun and knows Bernina backwards and forwards. So on Saturday the 28th, we will have the Savvy Stitching class where you'll make a decorative pillow. And on the 29th, we'll have the Smart Serging class. You'll make a different pillow, like a bolster pillow. Both of them are really fun projects that I think you will enjoy, and you will get a hands-on experience with the 790 sewing machine, embroidery machine on the 28th, and then with our L890 overlocker on the 29th. So we invite you to join us. Everything is on our website. If you go to sewbackauthority.com and click on classes and events, we have an interactive calendar, and you can sign up for any of our classes through our website, and we would encourage you to do so. We would love to have you. Just a few other things I wanted to tell you. We do have some promotions from Brother coming up, starting on October the 7th. Any purchase over $5,000 is you get 60 months 0% interest financing. That promotion goes October 7th through October 24th. So any of our beautiful luminaires, multi-needle machines, Stellaire, Essence, just about anything that you would want to purchase is available with extended financing. And Janome has some great specials also, as does Husqvarna Viking. So if you're in the market, come see us, and we'll give you the very best possible deal that we can. And I did want to show you as well. Let's walk over this way. We got our first round of Tula Pink 475s in this week, and they've all gone to their forever homes. So we have some very nice trade-ins available from Bernina. This is a Bernina 325. It's still in our line. It's a current model, but it has been sewn on a couple of times. It's in perfect condition. So great price on that. I also have a Bernina 480, again, a current model. Great price on that. So if you are looking for a new machine, these are very gently used, pre-loved machines, and you can get a very great bargain with them. Also, this is a really nice one. The Janome 15,000, everything is with it. It's a sewing and embroidery machine. Again, if any of these are of interest to you, they are pre-owned, what do we call them? Gently used, pre-loved machines. So they need a good home too, not just new machines. So we invite you to come in and take a look at them. Just a quick glance at our fabulous quilt that will start again as a block of the month. It's an 8-month block of the month commitment right here. And see if there was anything else I really needed to tell you all today. I think I covered it pretty well. Oh, let's just walk around the fabric for just a minute. Just wanted to show you some cute samples. This is an adorable group from Benartex. Love the elephants. Isn't that cute? We haven't had a chance to get it quilted, but give you an idea of what you can do with it. And then we've got, this is from the 3-Yard Quilt book, and this is a good use of some Tula Pink fabrics. And we do have the new Tula Pink Moon Garden collection slated to come in later this month, so be on the lookout for that. I think we've shown you this adorable chenille quilt that Sarah did. in our Christmas quilt from the Peppermint Parlor collection from Wilmington Fabrics. And we backed in a really nice warm flannel. So a great Christmas quilt. And then this is our adorable baby quilt with our collection that we've had for a while from Michael Miller. I think it turned out really, really cute as well. So come in and see our samples, get lots of good ideas. We have new fabrics coming in all the time. We've got lots going on, lots of classes, lots of opportunities. We invite you to join us, and we'll just say bye for now. See you next week. Have a great week.